Alright, so my brother's in town and he's going to help me with the fuel line. So I'm very excited about this. It's probably one of my more favorite things that we've done, because hopefully that will mean I can drive it on the road now. So we're going to take a look at the fuel line, see what's there, and connect whatever we need to connect, or get whatever we need to do to connect it. It's go time. Fuel line work connects. It's going up past. Connecting down here. It's connected here. So you're just like, let's see how much is connected. Excuse the noise, peeps. So far, we're laying on cardboard. That's that cracking noise you keep hearing. There's only one, so you know there's just a single line. So there's no return? No return. There's only one. And it's this rubber one we're looking at. It's going right to here. Looks like he does have it connected to the tank. He just didn't connect the two together up front. This we gotta fix because this is hokey as fuck. It's connected the whole way there. It's not connected up front. So you're saying following this? Where's my hand? Following this all the way, and you can see it goes all the way up. Okay, let me reposition. So you're looking for the nozzle now? So it's like between the... You see? Oh. Yeah. And this one's missing, but I started taking this one off so we can move this one over there. My brother just manhandled this thing out of there. It was stuck. I don't know if you saw my prior video, it was welded up there, right? See where the exit is? And there's welded up there. And Nick just manhandled this thing out of here. See, look, he broke the welds off. So now we can use it on this door and hopefully connect to that. Yes. We crawled under there and we got the, we just need to get a little bit of fuel line, and we need a bunch of these little hose clamps. Philo, come back. Sorry, come here. Back. Shy, back up. Back up. You can be in it. Come here. You can be in it. Just stand back here. We need more hose, more clamps. We got one bolt for the back of the truck, so we got at least one bolt actually bolted in. We need more bolts. We need more bolts, so we're going to try and get those two. And then if we have time, we'll also get the shocks, because then we're like really close to street worthy. Right? Yeah. And we're going to try and adjust the brakes, see if we can get better brakes out of it. Yeah. See if maybe we can get a muffler so your neighbors won't hate you. That'd be cool. That actually might be a good idea to look. Some of those are pretty cheap. Yeah. I did order one, but we get a cheap one. You did? Peace. It's going to be a little bit. So we got to go to the store. Yeah, store time. So went to one O'Reilly's and the service was awful. So we left that O'Reilly's, went to another O'Reilly's, and we got a bunch of stuff. Yep. So we've got mufflers, air filters, fuel lines, clamps, hoses, fuel hoses. So our goal is to get it running. Well, it runs, but get everything so it's roadworthy in an hour. So probably won't record a lot of it because we're going to just try and work as fast as possible. But you can also watch Vitus Auto Garage because he also is recording this as well. So you have 2 different views of what's going on. All right. All right, so we got the fuel tank dropped down. So say it's sagging a little bit. We unbolted those. And now we're messing. Ugh, got something in my eyeball. So now we're trying to get these tubes connected so that you can fuel up the truck. So I need to get this connected to there. Wish me luck. So this part's really kicking our butt. I'm trying to get these 2 hoses basically where it connects to there. The hoses are just not working with us at all. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. So we got the fuel line hooked up into the tank, and we got the blue line trimmed up. I don't know if you can see, but this part was a real bitch. Excuse my language. Literally, this guy lifted up the whole truck to separate the gap right here to straighten it out so we could get it straight. I'm like genuinely impressed right now. And I'm really happy because this was no easy task. If Nick wasn't here, I definitely would have struggled hardcore with this. It was pretty gnarly. I mean, if he's saying it's gnarly, and he's the like auto guy, the gear wrench, that tells you something. And I got the new muffler. Well, let's see. Hold on. Let's go over so you can check it out. Nick installed the muffler piece, which is awesome. So now we got a muffler, and it definitely sounds better. I pulled the battery off the charger, so I got that back in there. We don't have much gas, so we're going to use this just to go around the block real quick until I can fill it up. And we still have a couple of lines up here that we have to connect, but the really hard part's done, which is cool. So now we're going to start it. Leave anything in here? No? Okay. Does it sound better, Grace? Yeah, it sounds better. All right. Huh? You like it? Pretty dope. Sick. Definitely sounds better now. See if you can hear it. Definitely happy. Definitely made progress.